My name is Mudashiru Jalil Abiodun, a student in Guidea School. I want to talk about the ideology of MMM. Before I proceed, I would like to tell you the full meaning of MMM. The first M stands for Mafrodi, the second one stands for Mundia, and the third one stands for Movement. MMM is a global community of a financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who want to donate money with the one who want to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer to peer, no central account. It will not collect your money. Who we have? Over 260 million members worldwide, 118 countries, the largest donator exchange network in the world. In 1994, MMM held one-third of the entire cash in Russia. It was recently reported that the Bitcoin prices are being driven up just because of MMM. We are a community that built on helping people become free. MMM ideology: creating a fair financial system where money will no more be an issue, creating a platform where there will be no need to go to bank to borrow money to execute financial projects. How MMM works. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Mavro's amount will start growing from the movement of deposits at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. Where does 30% come from? There is no interest rate in MMM. In MMM, after you donated money, you get rewarded with Mavro. Mavro is an index of the contribute of your tribute to the development of the community. This index grows at 30% a month. It is just a technical term. Programmer can adjust this growth rate of Mavro at any moment. The amount of Mavro and its growth rate can be decreased, increased, and stopped and cancelled. MMM 30% any cycle. Provide help PHQ deposit. Get help GH or withdrawal. Take out your profit or return all back to the PHQ. The latter pays the earlier. 30% mathematical approach. Provide help PHQ. Get help PHQ. PH filling order below again and new PH entry the system too. As you can see, 100 you can GH 130, 100 you can GH 130, and so on and so forth. 20 times 100 equal to 2000, 2000 PHQ. For the 30% to be paid, 600 has to be generated. It gets generated within the participant through repaid from participants in earlier on the queue, monthly as the DH, and also through new participants joining the community also. Benefits: we are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donations. Growth of Mavro per month. Provide help and receive 30% more. Registration bonus: after having been registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 if the donation is from 18,000 to 159,000, $50 if the donation is from 160,000 to 1,299,000, $100 donation more than 1,300,000. Referral program: referral bonus: you get 10% from the donation of the participants you invited. Inviting new members from the community is an additional contribution to its development. Become a guider by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn a guider bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Managers' bonuses varies depending on the level in the structure. Become a guider by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn a guider bonus. Guider bonus: 5% from the first level participant donation, 3% the second level, 1% the third level, 0.5%, the fourth level 0.25%, the fifth level 0.1%, the sixth level 0.05%, the seventh level 0.03%, the eighth level 0.01%, the next level. Be aware of the risk. MMM is a community of peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMM only distributes money between its participants, connecting a donator to a recipient. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, the number of participants donating money should be generally increased. The community constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back. Donate only spare money. However, for many years of operation, we are proving the system reliability, and MMM have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and financial. Security in pulse mode. PH Naira net value. GH Naira net value. Community building and development. Only big and fast-growing community can succeed. We provide budget for advertising online, SMS marketing, ADS and article in newspaper, etc. We transfer account sign-up from advertising under our managers, offline events, presentation, conference and seminar, charity events, opening club. We provide budget to give you a chance to build a real big team of your downlines. MMM rules for safe participation. Rule 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You can only PH as many times as you want with MMM one account. Penalty. All accounts will be permanently blocked. You will be banned. Rule 2. Do not share email or bank details with other members. Penalty. You will be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule 3. Do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 4. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty. Your GH will be delayed for 14 days. Rule 5. Do not click on the I refuse to make payments button for more than a month. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 6. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 7. Do not fail to confirm your payment. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 8. Do not allow your family member to pay more than you. If they have more than the amount you pay to donate, let them do it through your PO or tell them to register through your guider link. Penalty. You will be blocked. Rule 9. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH withdrawal. Maximum day to write it after your GH is 3 days. Penalty. You will be blocked. MMM in Africa. MMM presentation in Soweto. MMM charity event in Lesotho. MMM presentation in Durban. Now we cover Republic of South Africa, Botswana, Lesotho, Switzerland, Uganda, and now we are building the team in Nigeria. Join us. I remain my humble self, Mudashiru Jalil Abiodun. Thank you. Stop.